Today we're going to install a Triple Dog Outlook combo. This consists of the Outlook and the Triple Dog downloader. The two biggest features of the Outlook are that it adjusts the Triple Dog on the fly and it defuels for high exhaust gas temperatures. Let's get started with the installation. The easiest way to get the Outlook pod mounted is to first pull away the weather stripping around the door. Remove the side panel. The handle will need to be removed. You will need an 8mm socket to remove. There are two small screws behind the trim that will need to be removed before the handle comes free. You will need a Phillips screwdriver. To install the Outlook into its pod, run the wires through the cutout and then snap the Outlook into place. Install the pod by sliding it into place. Reinstall the handle. Slide the handle back into place. Reinstall the bolts and covers. Remove the lower trim panel. Feed the wire through the side panel opening. Snap the cover panel back into its position. Put the weather stripping back into place. Plug the Outlook cable into the OBD2 cable. There is only one way to connect the plugs. Use electrical tape to cover any exposed connections. Now plug the OBD2 cable into the truck's OBD2 port. Install the connector to the yellow lead. Remove the fuse panel cover. Find and remove fuse 32. Attach the fuse tap and return it to its place in the panel. Attach the yellow connector to the fuse tap. Now return the cover. Bully Dog Technologies recommends mounting the Pyro Pre-Turbo. The easiest location to get to is underneath the truck. Pyrometer installation requires a 5/16" drill bit. We also recommend having the vehicle running and putting grease on the drill bit. Having the vehicle running will push all the extra metal shavings out that the grease on the drill bit doesn't catch. Once the hole is drilled, thread it with an 1/8" National Pipe Thread tap. Install the thermocoupler into the manifold and tighten. Insert the probe and tighten. Now feed the pyrometer leads through the hole in the firewall. There are two wires that need connecting, the red and yellow wires. The red connects to the long white wire labeled Pyro 1. The yellow connects to the short white wire labeled Pyro 1. Here's a tip: short to long, long to short. Cover the connections with electrical tape. Now coil the wires and zip tie them in a vacant space beneath the dash. Snap the panel back into place. As soon as the key is turned on, the Outlook will power up. The first screen is the vehicle selection menu. Scroll down until you get to 03 to 06 6-liter Ford with triple dog. Once highlighted, slide the joystick to the right. The Outlook monitor is now ready to use. To install the triple dog, connect the triple dog to the OBD2 port. Select Install Download. PowerStroke 6-liter is already highlighted. Press Y. Push Y to continue. Turn the key on, but do not start the engine. The triple dog will run through some procedures. Press Y to agree with the disclaimer. Answer the subsequent questions. When prompted, press Y to exit. Scroll and press Y to select the power setting. Select aggressive or smooth transmission tuning. To complete the triple dog installation, disconnect the OBD2 connector.